Are you unsure whether you should get a trust or a will?
The court will get involved and they will take money for their services out from what belongs to your family. So let's just go down the list really quick. In a trust, you can have a trustee that you appoint to manage everything that is in your portfolio. There are no court involvements, no attorneys, no appraisal costs, none of those things, right? The assets can transfer almost immediately within weeks compared to a will that goes into probate can take anywhere from 9 to 18 months, if not longer. It's completely private. It's not public record like a will. That does not the will is public record. A trust is private. You can delay distributions. Let's say you kind of have a loved, a son or a daughter who's a little bit of a late bloomer, and you're not really sure if they're going to be ready to handle all that money when they're 18. Delay it until they're 20, 25, maybe even 30. It's up to you. And you can also have some protection when it comes to divorces or creditors that try to come after your family's money. Okay. Now, I'll be completely transparent with you because this is just how I roll. The cons is that it can cost anywhere between $1,500 to $3,000 in order to get a trust completed and filed. However, just look at the number. 5% is what the courts may charge you. Like I said, court fees, appraisal fees, right? Those things add up a ton of money. Now, in a portfolio, there can be values of up to tens and hundreds of millions of dollars, but I'm just going to use a very low number. Here in California, the median price of a home is roughly $400,000 to $450,000. If you have a home and you own it outright and it's valued at $400,000, if the court decides to take 5% of that and charge you that fee because they have to go through probate because you didn't have a trust, that's $20,000. 5% of $400,000, that's a $20,000 bill that your family can no longer distribute amongst themselves because you decided that $2,000, $3,000 wasn't worth the money. $3,000 is worth the peace of mind that you're going to keep inside the home because you, when you were healthy, when you were sane and in your right mind, you were able to lay out where and to who the money and your assets were going to. Keep the peace in your home. It's worth getting a trust.